is polygenic inheritance. It is the inheritance in which the sum of the traits are controlled by two or more genes, multiple genes. For example, human skin color, height, etc. In polygenic inheritance, it also occurs due to the influence of environment and surrounding. In polygenic trait, phenotype reflects the contribution of each allele, that is, the effect of each allele is additive. For example, if we take the example of skin color, so there is white skin tone, black skin tone, and in middle also there is brownish skin tone. So brownish skin tone shows polygenic inheritance, where there are effect of each allele, which is additive of each allele. Now let us see human skin color. Assume that three genes capital I, capital B, and capital C control human skin color. Dominant forms A, B, and C responsible for dark skin color, and recessive is small a, b, c, d for light skin tone. Genotype with all dominant alleles A, B, B, C, C is the darkest skin color. Genotype with all recessive alleles small a, small b, small c, c is the lightest skin color. Genotype with 3 dominant plus 3 recessive is intermediate skin color. So these are the three types based on dominant. If the dominant skin tone is present, it is darkest skin color. If recessive character is present, it is lightest skin color, and if both the allele is present, it is intermediate skin color. Fifth type is pluriotropy. Here a single gene exhibits multiple phenotypic expressions, such a gene is called pluriotropic gene. In most cases, mechanism of pluriotropy is the effect of a gene on a metabolic pathway which contributes towards the different phenotypes. Its example is starch synthesis in pea and sickle cell anemia. Sex determination. Human has 46 chromosomes, which are of 23 pairs. So out of 23, 22 pair, first to 22 pair are of autosomes, and 23rd pair is of sex chromosome. Autosome, it controls the somatic character, and sex chromosome controls the gender of a human.